going on, everybody? I'm Ajayi here at the first Content Creators Night, hosted by Bmore Calculated. I just want to introduce myself to everyone. Recently became NRA Training Counselor, and I'll be providing services in the greater Baltimore region, giving people Instructor Courses, Basic Student Courses, and Maryland Wear and Carry courses. So look out for me on YouTube, Ajayi Firearms and Tactics, and then my website is ajayi.firearmsandtactics.com. Sign up for NRA classes or Maryland Wear and Carry classes, and just come out, join us along with the Bmore Calculated family, and get some good training.
It's too slow for MP5. Hey, run it. Go ahead, run it.
Yep.
Then how is the play?
I like this. Not bad. Ajayi Firearms and Tactics. See you on the other side.